Hello guys and welcome back. There are many ways you can clean up your Windows PC to make it faster, to have more space. Now we are going to go on the first one. The first one is very simple. Cleaning up your storage. How do you do it? Come to settings, go to search, click on settings. When you click on settings, go to storage. When you click on storage, you will look at this file, temporary files, right? You see this temporary files. Look at it. So now it has calculated I have 49.3 GB temporary files that are not necessary, right? What I can do is to click on it. When I click on it, look, it has checked some by default, but if you don't need what you saved in recycle bin, you can actually check. If you don't want temporary Windows file installation, you can check. If you want Windows Update cleanup, you can check. Downloads, if you don't want downloads, you can actually check. Now let's check something, right? This is the size of this. I have 163 GB free now. So by the time I remove these files, remove file, continue, because my data is actually huge, it's taking a little bit of time. So it's done now. So let us go back and check how much space we're able to gain. So go to my computer, look at it, we're able to gain 3 gig plus. This is 163 before, now it has increased to 166. So this is one way to clean up your computer. So the second one is as simple as this first one. We call it disk cleanup. How do we do it? Go to your search button, look for cleanup. This is disk cleanup, click on it. Now select the directories you want to clean up. So after selecting it, just say OK, delete files. So once this is done, you will see that extra space has been added to your C drive. Step number 3 is to find and delete larger files. We actually know that you can go to your file explorer, go to your download folder, call document folder, anywhere and start checking the properties to see the larger files, but this will actually take a whole lot of time to find and delete the files that are larger. So what are you going to do? There is a tool that we call TreeSize free. TreeSize free is a free tool that helps you to do these things. Find and delete larger files. I actually advise that you run it as administrator. Start TreeSize free as administrator. Click on scan. When you click on scan, look at this select directory. Go to that place, select the directory where you want to delete the larger files. Once you select the directory, it will sort it for you. Look at it, will sort it for you. Automatically you are seeing the files with the highest storage capacity. The files with that has the highest storage capacity. Look at this, look at this. On videos I have 4.3 GB, so I can actually go to this video and delete anyone I want to delete. Can you see it? To delete it, it's simple. You can delete it even from this place, but make sure that you know the file that you are deleting. Once it's deleted, you are responsible. You are responsible for your actions. All right. Look at this OneDrive documents. Look, there are a whole lot of files here, so I can decide to delete anyone I want to delete. Look at it. I can delete whatever I want to delete. This way, you will clean up your system. Just this TreeSize free will sort it for you according to sizes, and you will see the big, large files that you don't really need. you just delete them. The next one is to remove the bloatwares. What are the bloatwares? Bloatwares are applications that you no longer need. Some come with the computer, some you installed yourself but you do no longer need. How are you going to remove it? It's actually simple. Go to settings, go to apps, go to apps and features. So all the applications will drop for you. Take time and look at any application that you don't need here. Just remove them. Just remove them. Anyone that you don't need. So just take your time and remove any bloatware, any software that you don't actually need. The next step is to use Total PC Cleaner. It's an it's a Microsoft application and it's free. Just go to Microsoft Store and search for Total PC Cleaner. Just click on it, click on Get. So after installing, just open. Please confirm your system disk to authorize normal functions. Click continue to select system. Click continue to select the drive. This is actually to select the drive that you want to clean up. So click continue, select drive C, select folder and start scan. So this is an easy way. It's scanning one after the other. It will scan the system cache, the application cache, the mail cache, the office cache, the browser and the download. So after scanning, you look at all the caches. So it has finished scanning. Now we are about to delete what we don't really need. On browser cache, you can check this. For now, I don't want to delete this. System cache, application cache, mail caches, office caches, and you clean up. You click on clean up. So once you click clean up, I have freed 557 MB more. Alright. I hope you're able to learn how to clean up your computer. The next video that is coming is how to keep your computer virus free. Believe me, it's going to worth it. There are other videos that we've done on Windows, how to make your computer start up faster, and the rest of them. Please don't forget to subscribe to our Demic Technology channel. Thank you.